morning, everyone. I know the fact that we are all getting scared and emotional when we are reminded of getting into college, as we all really fear it. So here's my reminder: if we get too emotional and frightened because of entering college, don't worry, because at least for now, we already have our diploma to wipe our tears into. Once again, greetings, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our college president, Professor Ruben F. Macalinaw, and his wife, and his very beautiful wife, Mrs. Elma M. Macalinaw, our college director, Professor John Mancho Macalinaw, and his wife, Professor Jo Christine Macalinaw. And to Professor Mabel M. Rivera, the head of finance department, and her husband, Mr. Christian Rivera. Our senior high school principal, Dr. Eric P. Castillo, and our assistant senior high school principal, Dr. Adeline Z. Daga. To our honorable guest speaker, Mr. Gilbert Rondilla. To the public school district supervisor, Representative Dr. Galit. And the staff and faculty of Axe Computer College who have guided and supported us throughout our journey. Your unending support and dedication to our education have helped shape who we are today. We sincerely appreciate your unshakable faith in our abilities. We appreciate your fostering an environment in which we may flourish and achieve our goals. You have proven that it is indeed that our success is your goal. Getting back to what I have said before, they say the only way to conquer your fear is face what you fear the most. You must walk into the belly of the beast and risk the possibility of failure. But try to hide from your fear, you only risk it swallowing you whole. We face so many fears in our life, and it is contagious. As life is full of mystery, we couldn't avoid to be frightened. What does the future contain? It never stops. You solve the mystery that the universe brings you, then the other day, or even worse, an hour, you develop a new fear. But actually, these fears that the universe brings us actually help us to grow. You choose to face it and win it, you gain a brain that will help you achieve your dreams. You face it, yet you fail to defeat your fears. It's okay. Sometimes it is a calling for yourself to change, because just like the seasons, people have the ability to change. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it's almost always right. So nothing's gone missing on you, and there's still a lot of time. And maybe on the next time, you know what are the primary steps to do to conquer your fears. If you choose to face it no matter what, it is a win-win situation. And as you always face your fears, you could build a castle out of the bricks that your fear threw at you. But on the other hand, if you choose to hide and run from your fears, just what I have said, it will swallow you whole. Finding yourself at the rock bottom, left with nothing, even a crushed brick that will help you build your own castle. And that's what makes life so interesting. The universe keeps you frightened on what is coming up next, but as a matter of fact, those fears just help us to be a better person, teaching us hundreds and thousands of lessons that will help us to solve the problem we will be facing. Fears are just the universe's way of testing our resilience and determination, pushing us to our limits so we can discover our true potential and become the extraordinary individuals we are destined to be. So face your fears, for they are the stepping stones to greatness, the spark for personal growth, and the silent guide that lead us to a life of fulfillment and purpose. All those things, I learned them from Axe Computer College, family, and my friends. As a matter of fact, I was scared before of not making it to the list of honor students because I basically can't do math. But my friends said, kaya mo yan. I was really hesitant to run as an officer, but my supportive teacher said, ikaw pa ba, Mr. Cuerdo, kaya mo yan na. Then in my home, every time I am having a self-doubt, My mother would always say, "Kaya mo yan, nak." The words "kaya mo yan" can sometimes be very little. But in reality, this drives us to become the best version of us. It boosts us to face and conquer our fears. And look at me now, as I conquered my fears, I have experienced things, and I am now at the moment that does not even exist in my wildest dreams. Conquering your fears is not just about overcoming obstacles. It's about breaking down the barriers within yourself, realizing your limitless potential, and stepping into a future where you are the architect of your destiny. A future where every challenge is an opportunity and every fear faced is a victory that propels you toward greatness. I've learned and experienced a lot on my journey at Oxford Computer College. In the span of 2 years, I was a mid-level student before becoming an Astista Senior High School. I had no great expectation on myself because I am satisfied as long as my general average reached between 288 and 290. However, my mindset shifted when I began my senior high school joining at Oxford Computer College. Oxford Computer College taught me that I should strive for more on everything. With this new perspective, I was able to seize incredible possibilities such as being elected as the President of Supreme Student Government and the President of Graduating Class of 2024, and even having a consistent grade of 98 on every subject. The love and support of every head, faculty, and staff member of Oxford Computer College has been very important to me because it helped me reach my full potential as a student. I am really thankful for their encouragement and guidance. When I compare my performance as a junior high school and now as a senior high school, I see a hike on my performance as a student, which I owe in large part to the fostering environment at Oxford Computer College. By this, it made me realize that home is more than just a wall and room. It where advice flows like a calm stream, hugs wrap around us like warm blankets, and every welcome feels like 1,000 beautiful mornings. At its core, home nourishes our dreams and whispers our encouragement, weaving love and support that carries us through chapter of life's amazing story. And in Oxford Computer College, I've experienced the best guidance, warmest welcome, received great wisdom that allowing me live fleeting colors in flight in my college journey. And it feels like just my home, our home. That is why I wouldn't just call Oxford Computer College as my second family, but as my extended family. So should every one of us as TISTA. So thank you so much, Oxford Computer College, for making me unlock my potential and discover strengths I never knew I had. To my supportive advisors and teachers over the past 2 years, Professor Moriela Mercado, Ma'am Aiselin Manalo, Ma'am Malu Formentera, Professor Abigail Novastida, Professor Marie-Chris Amoloza, Sir Daniel Calamit, Sir Ferdy Castelloni, and Ma'am Shobi Alvarez, Ma'am Maritoni Estrada, Ma'am Jonah Sune, Ma'am Ogapias and Sir Martin Castillo, Ma'am Liza Cañete, Ma'am Jane Marcelo, Ma'am Daxil, Sir Nino Valenzuela, and Sir Jerome Aguilar. To me, you have been more than just advisors and teachers. You have been my friends and mentors, always there to lend guidance and encouragement. Your confidence in me has given me courage, and I sincerely appreciate all the things you have done for me. To my SSG advisors, the Senior High School Principal, Dr. Eric P. Castillo, and Ma'am Malu Formentera, for always encouraging us officers to strive for excellence and never give up. To my friends, especially my friends here at this institution, Alexandra, Summer, Kim, Regine, Lance, Janela, and Eliza, Martin, Bjorn, Daniel, Cassandra, Rismel, and Jerilyn. Thank you for being my companions in both laughter and challenges, making every moment unforgettable and filling my journey with joy and warmth. Of course, I will also thank my family, my parents, Martha and Tony, my siblings, Ate Andrea, Kuya Jen, and Inya, who have always been a source of inspiration, love, and support. I appreciate your support, never-ending faith in me. You are my biggest motivators, role models, and the reason why I try to be the best version of myself. I have accomplished everything I have because of your love and belief in me, so thank you for everything. To our Almighty God for letting me achieve this milestone and for guiding me on every step I take. They say every road comes to an end, but sometimes the end feels like just the beginning. We can suddenly find ourselves right back where we started, even when we think we come a long way. Our journey is fraught with twists and turns, and one false step could spell disaster. But no matter what, we still have to stay the course and forge our own path. As Tistas, there's no going back now, and we are heading to college. And it looks like this one's going to be the ride of our lives. Endings are just beginnings in disguise. So let's step into the next phase of our lives with the knowledge and wisdom we've honed over the 2 years at Axe Computer College. Remember, we as Tistas are the stars of our own stories, and it is up to us to write the next chapter. So let's make it the bestseller. Let us clap our hands to show appreciation to our school, our home, Axe Computer College, our family, and of course, our Almighty God. Congratulations, class of 2024, for overcoming the challenges and stepping your feet up to the stage, making your parents and teachers very proud. Thank you so much, and God bless us.
Thanks so much, Mr. Carl Sebastian V. Corridor, for delivering such an uplifting and inspiring message. Your words have resonated deeply with your fellow graduates and all those who are joining us in this celebration. Without doubt, you will be remembered as one of the greatest inspirations among your peers. Not only